Without a covering on the skylight, it gets so hot and bright in here, especially during the heat of summer. And we knew that we needed something to fix the problem. I'm Gina with WTI, and I got the cellular shade from Hoeflife, and immediately things were so much more comfortable in the living room. If you think this is complicated to install, you're completely wrong. It could not be simpler. You put the side pieces of the frame to the top and bottom. Make sure that the blind will go up and down smoothly. This does come with seal that you can put around the edges to block out any little gaps. And I found that that is absolutely necessary because this skylight was not made to square. This is a really lightweight shade, and with the screws, it stays very securely in place. This is a manual shade, so I got the rod that comes with it. We had to extend it all the way out in order to close and shut the shades, but it stayed together securely. Hoeflife has a lot of different options for colors, and of course you can customize the size like we did. They got our measurements perfect, and we love the way that it looks. And that's our point of view.